Hi, this is Jake with Hardwood Reflections, and today we're going to install butcher block countertops in European Walnut into this brand new kitchen. And we are really excited about this. So what you're going to notice when your walnut arrives, it's going to be a little bit lighter than the pictures you see on .com. The pictures that you're going to see on the internet, what we've done with those, we've just put just a mineral oil on top of them so it's as clear as can possibly be. So this is what it looks like when it arrives to your house. And we're going to show you just how awesome this is going to be inside of your kitchen. So you'll notice here we're going to unwrap this. We're going to take all the wrapping off. We're going to identify the A side or the B side or whatever side we actually feel like putting on top of the countertops, and then walk you through the whole process and then show you like how amazing European walnut looks in your kitchen. All right, so we've got the butcher block completely unpackaged. So the next thing we do, we got to figure out what side we want to have up. So I'd like to have kind of like a smoother kitchen inside the house. However, there is an A face and a B face. Some people actually choose a B face where there's going to be more knots and a little more opening, a little more imperfections on that. But for this video, we're going to choose the A face. And what we're going to do next, I actually put inside the directions in each one of these. You're supposed to seal them within 2 to 4 hours. And you don't have to do it within 2 to 4 hours, but do it as quickly as you can. On something like this, I'm not going to do a lot of machining at all. I am going to knock down some of these corners a little bit with some sandpaper. But so first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to use just a Hardwood Reflections top coat, and I'm going to seal all 6 sides of it and go to the next step. We've got the butcher block Hardwood Reflections, the satin gel stain. You can find this on homedepot.com. I love this product. So this is going to be a clear satin product. So what we're going to do here, we're just going to take an old cloth. You can also do this with a sponge or a brush, and we're just going to apply it liberally to the butcher block. Just watch how this changes the color. So here we are in the kitchen, and this place is totally gutted. So what we're gonna do, luckily, Home Depot sells everything for this kitchen, and you know, we just got done treating our countertops. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna put this whole thing together, and you know, a kitchen remodel is stressful, and there's always things that go up, go down, go wrong, not look quite as what you expected or look better than expected. The really good thing about this European butcher block countertop, it's gonna look good. It's gonna be a simple decision, and just wait to see the focal point that this makes inside of this room. Well, here we are, and we're all finished with this awesome kitchen, and I tell you what, it looks fantastic. Now what we had to do, we had to cut some blocks differently. We had to sand some sides, cut some holes, miter some, biscuit joint some, and I kind of tell you what we did right here. I wanted a bigger island in here, so this is a 6 foot by 6 foot island. So what we did, we took 2 of the 6'2" by 3 foot 3 inch islands, and we put them together, and we actually seamed them right here. You can hardly see it right here, but they had joined so well, and then just put a poly urethane on all sides of this to keep it looking fantastic forever. A couple other things we did right here. We put this really awesome Syncology sink in here. I believe it's a Josephine sink. So we cut this walnut all around here out of this Pfister faucet, as well as over here, and then drop this in. Looks awesome. Another thing we did over here, we wanted to miter these corners. So we mitered this right here. And for this run right here, I had an 8 foot walnut block. I cut it kind of in half to fit this stovetop. It looks awesome. It didn't take very long. And I tell you what, for the price of these European walnut blocks, I don't know what else to say. These things are fantastic. You should consider buying these, and you'll be happy. Thank you.